Namaskar. Let me take you through the operating control explanation of the all-new Honda Amaze. These are the car keys. This is the button to lock the car. This is to unlock the car. And from this button, you can open the boot. You can also unlock the car by pulling the door handle or lock the car by pressing this button. Moving to the inside, let us see the controls on the door panels. This button is open and close for the mirrors. From this button, you can select which mirror you want to adjust, left or right. This is the joystick to adjust the mirror. This is the child lock for the window operation. The center locking button to lock all the 4 doors. These are the buttons to operate the windows. You can adjust the driver seat from this lever. This is to adjust the height of the driver seat. And this is for the recline function. From this lever, you can adjust the tilt of the steering. This is the push button to start the car. Now let's see the controls on the steering console. This is the joystick turn on the parking lights, the headlights. Next to it is the button to turn the fog lamps on. Moving to the left side, these are the controls for the wiper. You can push it down to increase the wiper speed. These are the paddle shifters. Minus to decrease the gear, plus to increase the gear. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, we have the controls for the music system and the controls for the audio commands and the phone connectivity. These are the various notifications on the instrument cluster that gives you real-time information with regards to your vehicle status. Now let's see the controls on the automatic transmission gear lever. P for parking mode, R for reverse mode, N for neutral mode, D for drive mode, and S for sports mode. Next to the center console is the 12-volt power outlet and the USB port to connect your mobile phones. Next to the gear lever is the parking brake lever. You also have the front glow box to keep your valuable. This is the lever to adjust the day-night adjustment of the inside rear view mirror. On the center of the roof is the switch for the interior lighting. These are the sunshade with vanity mirror. On the right hand side of the driver door is the headlight leveling adjustment. These are the levers to open the fuel lid and the bonnet. Next to the driver feet is the lever to open the boot. Now let's see the air conditioning controls. From the left switch, you can adjust the blower speed, and from the right side, you can adjust the temperature of the AC. These are the switches for front defogger, rear defogger, AC mode adjustment, for maximum cooling, inner air circulation, turn the AC on or off, auto mode, turn only AC on. These are the controls on the music system. You have the various connectivity options to connect various audio devices like your Bluetooth, USB or auxiliary input. Moving to the outside on the driver door is the sticker that displays the recommended tire pressure. On the rear door, this is the switch which can be used to operate the child lock mechanism. Let's move to the boot space. In this pouch is the jack, the jack rod, spanner, the towing hook and the first aid kit. These are the jacking points where you can fix the jack. Now let's see the service areas under the hood. This is the wiper bottle, the brake fluid reservoir, the fuse box, the engine oil dipstick. In the front bumper is the towing hook jacking point. I would also like to inform you about some AC efficiency tips. Let me also share some tips for the better fuel efficiency. You may also refer the owner manual or contact your nearest dealer for any further details on the operating controls. We welcome you to the Honda family and wish you a very happy motoring experience.